Here we got a 1200 lumens compact weapons light flashlight. So this is a LED light only, no laser. It's fully adjustable, rail mounted. It's also USB Type-C rechargeable. So at 1200 lumens, this is ultra bright. This is high brightness LED. It has 3 white light modes. White light includes strong light, low light, flicker. So it has a max runtime of 45 minutes battery capacity, giving you plenty of time to do whatever you need to do. Its length is 2.09 inch / 53 millimeters. So if you're not sure which model or rail space is suitable, feel free to contact them. This is made of aviation aluminum, so it has a rigorous manufacturing process. It has a 1 meter drop test and is IPX7 waterproof. The switch is on both sides, nice clear operation, and has a nice textured traction on the button, so it could be easily turned on and off, and you could feel your finger on the button. So this has a super long range at over 200 meters. In close areas, it's just amazingly bright. You could easily mount it without any tools because the screw on the side has 2 mounts. The screw on the side has 2 points coming up, so you don't even need a dime or a screwdriver. You could easily cinch it with your hand. So basically, it's a super no frills, let's get a light on there and be ready for anything. So adding this onto your tool easily transforms it into an all-around tool to be used in the day and in the dark.